Imagine being able to press a button, watch a very easy movie, and make $4 in less than 30 seconds. How great is that? In just a minute, I will teach you how to view a simple video like this right now and start making $200 to $400 soon. Now here is how much money you can make by watching just one video. You can earn roughly $4. By watching 10 videos, you can earn $40. And by watching 50 videos a day, you can easily earn up to $200. This is really mind-blowing, and all you need is a smartphone or a computer, and this approach is completely free and available everywhere in the globe. In just a moment, I will show you how to sign up for a free account, and I will show you which video will pay you the most money quickly. Plus, towards the end of this video, I will show you a real-life example and evidence of how to get started, as well as a bonus tip that will help you make an extra $300. So make sure you don't miss any portion of it and pay attention all the way to the end. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. First, go to google.com and search for this term, twitch.tv, and then hit the search button. You should be able to discover the first link, twitch.tv, right here. Now I want you to click on this link, which will take you to this page, which you can see here, where you can find a variety of videos and channels that you can watch for free. As you can see, the majority of these videos are game videos, thus we're going to use videos like this one to make a lot of money online. Right now, I want you to click on the browse button up there, and then you will be sent to this page where you may browse through the many categories and videos available on this website. And I want you to concentrate on this area, which is the Fortnite category, because this is one of the most popular gaming videos right now. So go ahead and click on this category, which will take you to the Fortnite section. As you can see, there are a lot of individuals who are interested in viewing these videos, and if you scroll down below, you will discover even more videos that you can watch and earn money from. Now for the next stage, I want you to go to this website, which is oak.io. As you can see here, this is going to be the website that we will be utilizing today to watch easy videos like this and make a lot of money online, as you can see here. And don't worry, it is actually rather straightforward, and I will teach you precisely how to do it in this video. Take a look at how it works. First, you must create a free account on this website before you can shorten a long URL link. For example, if I click on copy, I will copy this video link and then return to this website and paste the Twitch TV URL link right here, and then I will simply click on this button to shorten the link. This is the abbreviated URL that this website provides, and this is where the magic happens. Every time people click on your shortened link right here, you will get paid per click over and over again. Also, depending on who click on your link, you will get a varied amount of money. For example, if individuals from Germany click on your link, you will receive $4, while those from the United States would earn $4.10. So let's have a look at the table below to see how the payment rate varies based on which nation they're from when they click on your shortened link. Now take a look at this. There are currently people that are actively utilizing this website and earning money daily. And they can supply you with a variety of payment choices such as PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Right now, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me what your country's favorite payment option is. With that said, let me teach you how to sign up for a free account. All you have to do is click on the sign up button right up top, enter your username and email address, confirm your password right here, and click on this one to prove that you are not a robot, and then click on the submit button. Moving on, you can get into your brand new account and check how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can earn right here on this website. Because this is a fresh new account and we haven't shortened any links yet, you can see here $0. First and foremost, I want you to return to twitch.tv, where we will find 3 videos, the first video, the second video, and the third video. Now we will return to the first video, and once again, I want you to scroll down below and click on the share button. I want you to copy this video URL link right here. So just click copy, and then we will go back to our account's dashboard and paste the Twitch TV link right here into the box. And then I want you to click shorten, and you will see that this website will automatically help us shorten this link into a much shorter link. I'm just going to copy right now, and then I'm going to give you this done for you script right here. This is basically my Fortnite video pose, and you can copy and paste it and start generating money right away. Now I'll basically give a little introduction to the game and then say something along the lines of, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now. And this is where we will post the shortened links to the 3 videos right here. Let us suppose I'm going to post the shortened link right here under the first video. As you can see, this is my first URL link, so every time people click on your link, you will receive a varied amount of money based on whatever nation they're from. So all you have to do is repeat the process and go back to the second video right here and click on the share button and copy this long URL link. Just click on copy and then go back to our dashboard and delete this one right here by clicking on delete, and then paste the new link right here from the second video and click on the shorten button. And once again, the website will automatically shorten the URL into this link right here. And then all I have to do is click the copy button and return to our copy and paste template, where all you have to do is paste the second link right here on video number 2, as you can see. Anyway, we are going to go to the third video and scroll down below and click on the share button once more to copy the video URL link. Then go back to your dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, click on the shorten button, and boom! We have got our final link, which we can just copy and paste into the template. Now I am going to give you the complete template right here, which you can copy and paste and use to start generating money right now. As always, I will give you some extra bonus suggestions before this video ends. Now I want you to go to forums.pcgamer.com, which is a very well-known and popular community where people debate various gaming topics, including Fortnite videos, and where there is a lot of active conversation and people chatting about gaming every single day. As you can see, there are over 22,000 messages and over 300 posts under the PC gaming discussion under general gaming. And let us say I click on this link and it takes you to this page where you can find different posts, and many people are writing very short and very simple posts on this forum, and they are getting a lot of views. When I search for the term Fortnite, I find that there are a lot of people discussing and talking about this issue, and there is a lot of demand in the gaming videos area right now. You can see people watching the Fortnite videos on Twitch TV, and this forum right here is a great spot to copy and paste the identical template and share it with everyone in the community. And then you can make money if people click on any of your shortened links, and the more people who click on your link, the more money you can make, depending on what nation they are from. And that is precisely how all these men here can make large money online right here on this website. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.